Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to clear a chat on Instagram. Clearing chats on Instagram can help declutter your inbox or remove conversations you no longer need it. So just follow these few steps to clear a chat. The first step is to open the Instagram app. Now if you don't have the Instagram app, just go to Play Store and search in the search bar for Instagram like this. And instead of open, you're gonna have the button install. Now as you can see, I already installed it, so I'm just gonna click on open. Now if you don't have an account, you can create one very easily. It takes just a few seconds. You can also use Facebook to log in. Now after logging in, go to the direct message section by tapping on the paper plane icon right here and locate the chat you want to clear. See here. Let's click on search the messages to start a chat, for example. After that, swipe left on the chat on iPhone or press and hold for Android phone to bring up the options. Here, just gonna try to open it right here. And just like this, select delete and confirm by clicking on delete again, and that's it. The conversation is deleted. Note that deleting a chat only removes it from your account. The other participants will still have access to the conversation. And also archive important messages before deleting them if necessary. Clearing chats on Instagram is a quick and efficient way, helping you maintain an organized inbox. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.